And by the year 1990, he was a sixth former at Osebike Senior High School. During his school days, he excelled in 100 meters, 200 meters, and 110.
Oniana Baso, you're frozen.
From a comfort colleague.
But what's just in the
Me chasing it.
This in the band, ye share the who more being Sabia, dinner bono, it be whom.
Ghana for missing and the most powerful movie up till now it still reigns between me and Bishop Bernard Nyarko. It's Lewin Fisherman and on a senior up till now, and that's so reigning in the system for people.
Personally, what say Bishop won sign our fan?
Like I said, Bishop was like a brother, like a friend, a colleague in the industry. And you know, me man, and I didn't want to believe it because nipa na me na kasa barely a week. Na after you catch them say we're free mono was something unbelievable.